Marina Bay Sands isn't just a hotel, it's a global icon. In 2025, it remains Singapore's most photographed landmark, and staying here feels like living inside a dream. Everyone recognizes the rooftop infinity pool, but few understand what the full experience is like. From check-in to sunrise swims, Marina Bay Sands delivers moments that feel once in a lifetime. That's why in this video, we're taking you inside, from the legendary infinity pool to the rooms, restaurants, and hidden corners you never see on Instagram. Stay with me, because the end of this tour will reveal a part of Marina Bay Sands most visitors completely miss. The journey begins at the Grand Lobby. Walking in feels like stepping into an airport terminal designed by artists. Tall glass windows stretch overhead, sunlight fills the space, and staff greet you with signature Singaporean efficiency. The check-in process is smooth, though the lines can grow long during peak times. Even waiting feels glamorous with views of the atrium. Once you have your key card, the excitement builds. You're moments away from entering one of the most famous hotel experiences in the world. Let's start with the rooms. Marina Bay Sands offers everything from standard deluxe rooms to extravagant suites. Even the entry-level rooms feel luxurious, with sleek decor, plush bedding, and sweeping views of either the gardens by the bay or the Singapore skyline. The floor-to-ceiling windows make every sunrise and sunset feel cinematic. Watching the city light up from your bed is unforgettable. Bathrooms are spacious with deep tubs, walk-in showers, and premium amenities. Small touches, from robes to rainfall showers, elevate the experience. If you splurge on a suite, the design shifts from modern luxury to true opulence. Butler service, dining tables, and extra living space create a full apartment in the sky. But the real star isn't inside the room, it's 57 floors above the city. That's where the infinity pool awaits. This pool is the most photographed hotel feature in the world. It stretches endlessly across the rooftop, creating the illusion of swimming above Singapore. Step into the water and you'll see the skyline stretch all the way to the horizon. It's part thrill, part serenity, and fully unforgettable. The best times to visit are early morning for peaceful swims, or sunset for breathtaking cityscapes. Each moment feels like a movie scene. The poolside service adds to the atmosphere. Order cocktails, snacks, or fresh fruit while lounging with the city at your feet. The rooftop also has hot tubs and quiet corners where you can relax away from the crowds. Every angle is a postcard. But the rooftop is more than just a pool. It's also home to world-class restaurants and bars. C'est La Vie remains one of the hottest rooftop bars in Asia. DJs, cocktails, and views make it a nightlife destination in its own right. Spago by Wolfgang Puck blends fine dining with casual rooftop energy. It's perfect for sunset dinners after a swim. Downstairs, the hotel's dining options are endless. From celebrity chef restaurants to local hawker-inspired eateries, there's something for every craving. Inside the shops at Marina Bay Sands, luxury brands line endless corridors. High fashion, designer jewelry, and flagship stores fill them all. Even if you're not here to shop, the architecture makes it worth a walk. The indoor canal with gondola rides adds a Venetian touch. For entertainment, Marina Bay Sands is home to its own theater. Broadway shows, concerts, and cultural performances keep the nights lively. The casino is another draw, offering gaming tables and slot machines in a glamorous setting. Even if you don't play, the atmosphere is electrifying. But one of the hotel's most underrated gems is the Art Science Museum right next door. Its lotus-shaped design and interactive exhibits make it a cultural highlight. Guests often combine a stay here with explorations of gardens by the bay. Walking from your room to the supertrees feels surreal. Marina Bay Sands connects directly to Singapore's best attractions, making it more than just a hotel, it's a launchpad for the city. Yet the experience inside the hotel itself can fill your entire stay. Many guests check in and barely leave, soaking up every moment. The service is another highlight. Staff anticipate needs before you even ask, from early check-ins to late-night cravings. Every part of the hotel feels designed to impress. The sheer scale and polish make you realize why it's become a global icon. But here's a secret, Marina Bay Sands isn't just about glamour. It's also about small, quiet moments that feel deeply personal. Sitting by the pool at dawn, sipping coffee while the city sleeps below, creates a memory that outshines even the flashiest attractions. Walking through the glowing atrium at night, hearing the soft hum of the city outside, reminds you this is more than just luxury, it's atmosphere. That's the difference between seeing Marina Bay Sands on Instagram and experiencing it in person. The reality is bigger, brighter, and more emotional than the photos. And while it may be expensive, many travelers say it's worth saving up for. A single night here can feel like a lifetime memory. Now it's your turn. Would you swim in the infinity pool at sunrise, or sip cocktails at sunset on the rooftop? Drop your choice in the comments, and I'll reply with tips for making the most of your stay. And before you go, remember, for stress-free travel through Singapore's busy streets, trains, and attractions, check the link in the description below for my recommended anti-theft backpack. Marina Bay Sands in 2025 proves why it remains the crown jewel of Singapore. It's not just a hotel, it's an experience you'll never forget.